Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com. And if you've ever wanted to create a stunning logo but felt overwhelmed by the design process, you're in the right place, because today I'm diving into Leonardo AI's brand new Flow State, a powerful feature designed to make logo creation seamless and stress-free. And whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or just someone looking to elevate your brand, this tool is a must-have, and I'll walk you through everything step by step, from exploring the intuitive design interface to crafting a professional logo that truly stands out. And trust me, with Flow State, you don't need to be a design expert to create something incredible. And speaking of tools that simplify your workflow, let me quickly tell you about QUILL meetings, a must-have for anyone who wants to stay organized and productive. You know what used to drive me crazy? Meetings. Endless, disorganized meetings that derailed my entire day. I'd leave wondering, wait, what were the action items again? Who was I supposed to email? These misunderstandings can cost you time and money. Well, not anymore with QUILL meetings. This revolutionary AI tool runs on your Mac or PC, allowing you to capture all types of meetings: Google Meet, Teams, Zoom, Discord, Slack, Lark, and more, creating word-for-word transcripts, outlines, and even screen captures. No more scrambling to jot things down or wondering whether or not you missed important details. Because after the meeting, you get a concise breakdown of key points, action items, and so much more. It's like having a personal assistant in every meeting. You can also upload audio files or YouTube videos and get complete written transcripts in seconds. Great for podcasting or any other use case that needs written transcripts. And my favorite feature, you can have QUILL's AI create blog articles straight from your transcripts. No extra work, no starting from scratch, just polished, ready to go content. So if you're ready to take your meetings to the next level, click the link below to try QUILL today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, with that being said, let's jump into Leonardo Flow State and create some logos. Okay, from your Leonardo dashboard, click on Image Creation within the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of the screen. And this will bring you to the classic mode image generator. However, for this video, we're going to be using Leonardo's Flow State, a new innovative feature that streamlines the creative process by generating a continuous stream of visual possibilities from a single simple prompt. And this tool eliminates the need for complex prompt engineering, allowing you to rapidly ideate and overcome creative blocks with ease. And it's really super easy to use, almost too easy. And let me show you what I mean. So first, let's open the Flow State interface by clicking the Flow State button there below the prompt field. And this lets you toggle between the Flow State and Classic mode interfaces. So whenever you want to return to the Classic mode, just click that button to use the alternate interface. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour of the Flow State interface. First, on the left-hand sidebar, you can configure settings such as vibe, lighting, shot type, color theme, and image dimensions, ensuring customization aligns with your creative needs. Additionally, there are toggles for prompt enhance and private mode to optimize outputs and maintain privacy. Then at the top center, a prompt field allows you to input your ideas, paired with a generate button to initiate the image creation. Then the Classic mode and Flow State buttons let you toggle between the two interfaces. Below that, the interface displays examples of image styles and themes which serve as inspiration or previews, but once you start generating your own images, this area becomes a space where your creations appear. Then above the prompt field, you'll see your current token count, and then if you take a look at the banner in the interface, it highlights that the Flow State is temporarily free for paid users with no token deductions. However, this promotional period is subject to change, and in the future, each image generation will cost 1 token. Okay, now that you know your way around, let's create a logo. So from the style settings, click on the Vibe tab, and it's currently set to automatic, but here you could choose from different vibes to change the overall style direction of your images. And for this video, we're creating a logo, so select the logo vibe. And then I'm keeping the other style settings set to automatic, but feel free to experiment with different lighting, shot type, and color theme configurations here if you'd like. Additionally, you can edit the image dimensions and change the aspect ratio of your images. I'm keeping it set to 1:1, which is a square, but if you want a different dimension, just select the one that you want here. Then below that are 2 switches for prompt enhance and private mode. They're both on by default, and Prompt Enhance automatically refines and optimizes your input prompt to generate a more detailed and accurate result. And by enhancing the phrasing and context of the prompt, it ensures that the AI understands and captures the intended creative direction with greater precision. I really like the Prompt Enhance, so I'm going to keep it on, but feel free to turn it off to see what kind of results you get. Then the private mode keeps your images private and won't share them with the Leonardo user community. Okay, next, it's time to enter our prompt. So in the field provided, type a simple text prompt. And remember, with Flow State, it doesn't need to be a super detailed or long prompt. Just a few words will do. And for this example, my prompt is going to be a logo for a personal trainer with the text Ignite Fitness. Then whenever you're ready, click the Generate button, and the AI gets to work, and literally in a few seconds, you'll have a ton of unique logos to choose from. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. First, these are not vector images. I want to make that clear. I realize that a lot of my graphic design friends will not like this, but you can always convert these images, which are JPEGs, into vector images with conversion tools online like Adobe Express. And if you scroll down, you'll generate more images. No additional prompting, just scroll and see what the AI creates. Each one a unique and different logo generated from your simple prompt. Now, you may notice that the AI doesn't get the text right sometimes. Unfortunately, it isn't perfect yet, but I think it's still pretty good. Then here's where the flow state comes into play. So once you find an image that you like this one, I love the design and the color scheme, you can then use the flow state to generate more images similar to this one. So from the image, if you hover your mouse over it, click the More Like This button, and the AI will generate more images that resemble this one. You can even see the flow state workflow here, showing you the images used to fine-tune the results. And as you can see, we get a ton of additional images similar to that one that I liked from the initial results. And you could keep going and fine-tuning these results until you get that perfect logo. Then once you find one that you like, simply click on it. And towards the bottom right corner, there will be a download button. Simply click that download button to download the image to your device. Again, I realize these aren't vector images, but you can convert them using Adobe Express. You can also edit these images in Photoshop or a similar photo editing software. But either way, Leonardo's new flow state opens the door to a ton of creativity and can save you a lot of time when it comes to ideation and design. And Flow State isn't just about generating images. It's a powerful tool for unlocking creativity quickly and efficiently. And whether you're a blogger looking to craft a unique brand identity, an entrepreneur designing a logo for your next big idea, or a marketer in need of stunning visuals to make your campaigns pop, Flow State streamlines the entire process. And with its ability to generate high-quality images effortlessly, it's a game changer for anyone working on a light budget or timeline. And if you've tried Flow State yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your designs. So drop a comment below and let me check them out. As always, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.